Most people love keeping their car clean, right? But when it comes to cleaning the engine bay, there's one huge mistake that can destroy your electrical system cause your car to misfire or even refuse to start. In today's video, I'll show you exactly what that mistake is and how to clean your engine bay safely like a pro. Let's get started. Section 1. The big mistake. The biggest mistake people make when cleaning their engine bay is using high-pressure water directly on sensitive components. Your modern engine is packed with electronic sensors, ignition coils, and wiring harnesses that are not waterproof. When pressurized water gets into these areas, it can cause electrical shorts, trigger warning lights, make your car misfire or stall, or even prevent it from starting at all. Section 2. The right way to do it. So how do you safely clean your engine bay without ruining anything? It's all about preparation and technique. Here's how pros do it step by step. Step 1. Cool down the engine. First, make sure the engine is completely cool. Never clean a hot engine. The sudden temperature change can crack components or cause steam burns. Step 2. Cover sensitive parts. Use plastic bags or cling wrap to cover up critical components like the alternator, fuse box, air intake, and exposed wiring. This simple trick prevents water from getting where it shouldn't. Step 3. Dry clean first. Before adding any liquids, remove loose dirt and leaves using a brush or vacuum. This step keeps grime from turning into sticky mud when you start cleaning. Step 4. Use a degreaser safely. Next, use a mild, non-corrosive degreaser, not household cleaner. Spray lightly on dirty areas and let it sit for a few minutes. Don't oversaturate, a little goes a long way. Step 5. Agitate and wipe. Gently scrub with a soft detailing brush and wipe clean with a damp microfiber towel. If needed, use a spray bottle with water, not a hose, to rinse off the degreaser. Step 6. Dry thoroughly. Use compressed air, a leaf blower, or just towels to remove moisture. Don't start your engine until everything is completely dry. Section 3. Extra pro tips. Here are a few bonus tips that can make your engine bay cleaning safer and more effective. Avoid pressure washers. Use low pressure or a spray bottle instead. Use only automotive-approved cleaners and degreasers. Clean your engine bay every 3 to 6 months to prevent buildup. Never disconnect the battery while the key is in the ignition. Inspect for leaks, cracks, or frayed wires while cleaning. It's the perfect time. Section 4. The secret trick. And here's the trick professionals use: a plastic bag and light misting technique. After you've covered sensitive areas, lightly mist the rest of the engine bay with water, not a strong spray. Then use a soft brush with degreaser to gently lift grime. This method removes dirt safely without flooding electronics. Simple, safe, and super effective. So that's it, the right way to clean your engine bay without causing expensive damage. Avoid the big mistake of blasting everything with water, and your car will stay clean, reliable, and looking great for years. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite engine cleaning tips. See you next time, and keep your car running strong.